Hi, I'm Jim Simpson, co-founder of Globalpreneurs, and I'm probably going to be considered your teaching guru for the time that you are a member of Globalpreneurs, which we hope to be for the rest of your life. You're going to find that this is the most robust communication system in video that you'll ever see on the internet today, and it's probably the best buy that's on the internet today. In addition to that, as you use the system and master it and show it to other people, you'll start receiving commissions, which we won't get into the details now, but the commissions could way exceed the cost just by referring it to a few people who refer it to a few people. Let's just start by saying congratulations on making the decision to become a globalpreneur. To get started, I want to show you what to do first. You want to log in to your back office. If you will put in your username and password here and click remember, it will remember it so that all you have to do is click on login from this point forward. If other people are using your computer and you don't want them to be able to get in here, then do not click the remember. Now this is your back office dashboard. And from this spot right here, you can get to anything on your system, but you're going to find that this is a very feature-rich, robust system that will allow you to do almost anything you can imagine as far as video communication on the internet. I'm not going to attempt to explain all this to you in this video. I'm just going to show you where to find everything. One of the most important sectors of this dashboard is right here under resources. You need to click on training immediately and come here and see what's here. You'll see that there's email, broadcast, graphics, contacts, and profiles. If you click on email, for example, and just simply go here, and you can see that you can get to this part of the system very easily. You can read the directions. If you click on another one of these, here's what's required for email requirements. To give you an idea of what's there. Alright, you see how that works. Now I want to show you these are video tutorials. For example, if you wanted to know how to operate your desktop recorder or your web-based recorder, and you have either a Mac or a PC, this is where you come to find out. So here's how you do it. You simply click on Overview Desktop. Brings you to here, you press the play button.
Okay, so once you have downloaded and successfully installed the video email desktop recorder, you're just going to double click on the icon here. Sometimes you might get the user account control, just click on yes. Now from here you will get the login. What you will do is use your username and password, which will be the same you used.
Now the purpose of this video is not to have you see all this, but to show you where it is. Now, let me go back. Let's close the email and let's go to broadcast. Anything you need to know about your broadcast feature, that is to be able to broadcast a live video on the internet. All of the written instructions are here and all of the videos are down here. So if you wanted to, let's just pick something. If you wanted to manage the profile image, let's click on this and let me show you how it works. Come here, you click on the play button.
This video will demonstrate how to manage profile images. Click on the arrow next to Manage Profile Images. From here, you can add, edit, or delete a profile.
Alright, as you can see, our technicians have done a great job of explaining every single part of this. Let's go down to custom URLs, for example. You simply click the play button.
With this video, I'll be showing you the new custom URL feature for broadcasts. When on the View Broadcast page, you'll notice a column with the title URL. In this column, it'll specify whether a custom URL has been created for that broadcast.
Okay, all I want to make sure that you know is where all this data is. We're not going to look at it now, just show you where it is. Now let's take a look at graphics. Again, here are the written instructions for a link set instructions, for example, and here's how to create a link set. If you wanted to go to set a default link set and why you need to do that, you come here, you press the play button.
This video will demonstrate how to set a default link set. First, click on Graphics, then go to Links. You will find yourself at the template.
You're going to find that the video training for our system is absolutely superb, and you probably would never need to call and talk to a technician if you came here first, and you probably get better instruction, immediate instruction, by doing this. Now, we knew when we developed this system, if we're going to sell it to a lot of people and keep the price low as we have, we would have to have an automated system. So this is it, and you're going to find that it works extremely well. Again, you want to know something about your contacts, you come here, here's a video for it, here's information, and then about your profile, here's your user account. All right, that will give you an idea of where to go first, and at any point in time, if you want to go back to home, you click here. And the other thing, if you want to go back to the front of your website at any point, you just click on this symbol right here. It takes you back to where we started. Again, welcome to Globalpreneurs. We invite you to come to all our broadcasts, but let me show you where they are. You come here for training, you click on Join a Broadcast. You'll see that the live broadcasts are listed right here. The time for those, you can't join the broadcast until 10 minutes prior, or whatever that's set for. Generally, we set it at 10 minutes. You can pre-register a broadcast, or within the 10 minutes prior to a broadcast or after a broadcast starts, you can come and join the broadcast live. Many of the broadcasts have a video, so if you click this button right here, it will show you a video related to the broadcast right here. This video will come up and start to play instantly. This is the home ICU demo for ICU phone. And you can see that this is about to play here now.
25 miles south of Nashville.
Okay.
Okay, now if you come to tips, here are tips that you need to read prior to joining a broadcast. Make sure you read all this. It's very important. In addition to that, let's go to recorded broadcast. Now, all the recorded broadcasts are right here. You'll see there's quite a few of those. You can come here at any time, or you can demo our system by simply coming here and clicking on, for example, how to send a video email from the dashboard. You simply click video right here, and that video plays immediately. Welcome to the Globalpreneurs Video Communication Center dashboard. All right, we'll stop right here, but anytime you come to this page, you will be able to join a broadcast manually right over here on this side. If you are a presenter, you have to click yes, and you have to have a presenter code in order to be seen. And then you'll find that these are very important videos and connections to make your system work properly. So how to join a broadcast video is right here. The speed test training video is here. And to check your speed, which is extremely important, you need to click here and do a speed check. Here's how that works. Speed check comes up. It will be on a site near where you are. I'm going to click on Lexington, Kentucky. See, I've got a ping of 19. Anything below 100 is very good. The lower the better. You see that my download speed is going to be in excess of 30. Turned out to be 33.44. And my upload speed looks like it's going to be almost 3. It is 3. Let me point out the minimums. You need a minimum of 2 download speed. In other words, this number right here needs to be at least 2. Mine is 33. This number here needs to be at least 0.4 to 0.6, and you can see mine is 3.2. So my internet is way faster than I need in order to meet the minimum requirement for streaming video. You can close this tab right up here. You'll also notice that we recommend that you use our system in Google Chrome. If you do not have Google Chrome, you need to come here and download Google Chrome now. You come here, download Google Chrome. Now, this does not mean that our system will only work in Google Chrome. It's just that all of the browsers, 4 or 5 of them, our system works in. But if you attend a training and you're on a different browser than we're using, then the instructions will be different because the browser causes the system to look differently. So we recommend that you use Google Chrome at this point in time. And even though there's some other good browsers, Google Chrome, it works extremely well with video. We also have a world time zone map here. Since you'll be doing business across the world, you'll see that as of right now, this is the part of the world where it's daylight, and this is the part of the world where it is not daylight. If, for example, you wanted to know what time it is in South America, well, right there is what time it is right now. If you wanted to know what time it is in any part of the Middle East, in here, for example, you can just put your cursor on whatever city you'd like, and it will tell you what time it is right now. All right, that's pretty much an overview of what you need to know to get started. I want to point out to you that you cannot break our system by clicking on anything. So get in your back office, click on everything, and see how it works. You're going to be blown away at how much more effective you will be when you use video to communicate. Again, thank you for joining the team. We look forward to working with you.